Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A16 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change Bluetooth name in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. First of all, open settings in your phone. Then scroll down. You will find about phone. Just click on that. And here you will see the name Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. This is the name which will be displayed when you are scanning this device from another device. That is when you have enabled Bluetooth here, and if you are pairing this device to another device, another Android phone or another Bluetooth enabled device, this name will be shown Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. Suppose if you would like to do customized name here, as you can edit, click on edit button, and here also you can read the instruction. See here, this name will be shown on other devices when your phone is available to connect using Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, direct and other methods. Okay, so if you would like to customize this one with your own text, just click on the delete button, close button, and the available text will be deleted and you can write your own text. Here I just write Tasia and click on done. Yes, hereafter this device will be named as Tasia for Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and other methods. Okay, so in this way you can easily change Bluetooth name. Hereafter, if you are scanning this device from another Bluetooth enabled device, then the network will be shown as Tasia. In this way, you can easily change Bluetooth name for your phone. Whatever name you would like to give, yes, you can do it. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.